Hey there guys, Knights here and welcome back to the series 19 of Unity Beginner tutorial series. In this series, what we'll be learning here is we'll be actually looking out around a paint volume system with the actual attached delay. So let's get started with actual Unity launcher opened. Hey guys, welcome back. What we'll be making here is a paint volume system. We have already made a paint volume system. So for now, what the main actual problem was it was not having a delay. So what I'm gonna be making here is to add a bit of delay. So when I press play, you can see that a character walks inside a box. Now it calls up a function in a string in like an update or like a 60 fps, and also it dies. If you take up a look at the script, what I did here is just add a health reduced by 10 every time I do that. And if you look at the health script, we have actually add our destroy game object. What it means that is nothing to change in the health, just we need to make a change in the paint volume system. So this throughout the video is for making a set bit of delay. So we have already created a delay of 2.5 float. So what this means that 2.5 in the 2.5 seconds every time it compiles this thing. So let's get started by creating a variables. We need a two open variables. It can be a public or a private variable. Let's go with a public to showcase what it actually happens when I just make this in public. You can see that in inspector. So let's go with int, then a interval of time, then another variable is for float. So it is for next, let's call it seconds, for next seconds. So what I will do inside, just go inside the collision on trigger stay, and now call if statements right here. And now just you can just add a time. So what this does is it can take the time and measures which is equals to. If it's equals to next second, then we should also just make this seconds to 0 and this to 1. So this if where is that? Okay. All right. So now let's go and create this stuff. Now if you play it now and if you press play, it won't do anything. So what should you do in here is you need to add a next second, and you need to also add a plus equals sign and interval. Oops. Okay. There you go, got it. What happens? Okay. So now what it does is it compiles with a 1 second, and we got a 2.5 seconds of delay. Now if you've gone back and checked it out, now you can see that let's make this health the display the destroy thing to comment it out, and let's try and to play this stuff. Let's clear on play, and let's go inside this. You can see that every second this die ticks in. So what it means is if I walk out, now you can see that the 13 does not change. So if I walk again, the 13 changed to 21. So let's go again. It got a 24, and let's go again. It's got a 1 seconds of callback time. So what I will do is let's go and let's do this. Let's make this return what we have set here to like a well, what can we do? Okay, like 0.1. that was the problem. Actually, we start it has a delay of 2.5 seconds. Now if I walk in, it will give the same correct font. Like, it's a 5, now it goes like 2 seconds the forward. It does not matters right now. It's because we have set this properly, and you can just make it at 2.5. It will work as it is. Now what I will do is, let's go and open up our variables. I mean the destroy function of callback on game object. Now let's go and save, and click save and hit apply. Let's go inside it and see this. Okay, now alright, it just reduce. It's like it will be destroyed in a second. Okay, there you go, got it. It destroyed. In inspector there is no character object, it destroyed. So this was the video about the actual delay stuff, but it has some bugs we will go through in the next future upcoming videos, like fixing up the actual delay. What we have get, if we walk in, you can see that you got some delay. That's because of you have set in the pane volume system. Just reduce this, play with this value. Okay, play with this value, and you can figure out really quick. So because of we have 1 seconds of mean time, the interval, so we got, now you can see that how fast it is making up. I will come in the next video and showcase how to fix this error. That's pretty much everything, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't know what to do, consider subscribing and hit that bell icon for more updates. Once again, guys, be awesome, keep creating. Nihal Knights EDU signing out. This video is made possible by my supporters on the Dreadeye. If you want more videos like this, then check out my Dreadeye page, is in the link in the description. To stay up to date on my new releases, make sure you have follow me on the main social media.